Hello and welcome to another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. For today's episode, we're going to be making 3 variations on a mimosa, just in time for Mother's Day. So we're going to start with our champagne flute and our champagne. Fill about halfway. And let that settle. We're actually going to do a variation here that has our ginger beer syrup in it. You take half an ounce of syrup, and our fresh squeezed orange juice to top. And there you go. That's our ginger mimosa. Just a nice little float of ginger, give it a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of bite. You can use our ginger beer syrup or our double ginger syrup for this. For our second variation, we're going to be using our honey orangeade in place of orange juice. So again, we're going to fill our champagne flute halfway up. Only this time we're going to top it off with honey orangeade. And there you go, the honey orangeade mimosa. And for our third mimosa variation today, we're actually departing from the traditional orange juice and champagne. We're going to use our blackberry lemonade. So again, we'll go ahead and fill our champagne flute halfway. And top that off with blackberry lemonade. And there you go, a blackberry lemonade mimosa. Thank you for joining us for Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. As always, today's recipe can be found in the description below the video, and all of our recipes and products can be found on our website at bozbev.com. That's BOZBEV.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. I decided not to open the champagne on camera because my entire liquor cabinet is behind me and several lights are in front of me, and I'm not that good at opening champagne. And I could try savoring it open, but even Alton Brown screws that up from time to time.